Now, as you all know that Apple has finally showcased iOS 18 and it comes with multiple customization option which was not possible earlier. So in this particular video, we are going to take a look at the customizations option now available in iOS 18. So before getting into the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in terms of customization, we have home screen customization option, we have control center customization option, and now we can also customize lock screen as well. Now, what can we do? I'm going to explain each and everything. Let's start with control center first. Now you can see control center is completely revamped in iOS 18. Now we can rearrange the icon. So if I tap and hold on the screen like this, and if I tap and hold on the icon, I can place icon wherever I want. So yeah, you can customize the modules, you can rearrange the control modules which are present in control center. And not just that, you can also resize the module. So if you tap on this particular icon, you can resize the control center icon as well. So let me show you that we can resize any particular icon except the brightness control module and the volume module. Each and every module which comes with this particular icon can be resized. So the resizing and rearranging icons in control center is now possible. Now the next customization option in control center is if you tap on this plus icon at the top, you get add a control option over here, or else if you tap and hold on the screen like this, you will be able to check out the add a control option. So you can add more control modules in control center, which was earlier possible by going in settings option, but this time you don't have to go in settings. You just have to select add a control option and you will get tons of control module over here. So you can choose whichever option you want and you can add it. So if I want voice control, I can tap on that and I can simply add voice control to the control center. Again, you can resize it if you want to, you can rearrange wherever you want. So yeah, these are some basic option of customization in control center, and there are two new options available on the control center panel. One is the plus icon, which will help us to add control modules to the control center, and the second one is this power off icon. If I tap on that, it will take us to the power off screen and I can simply slide the power off button and I can switch off my phone. So yeah, these are some basic options which we get in terms of customization for control center. Now the next customization is for lock screen. Now this is the iOS 18 wallpaper, as you all can see. Now if you want to add this wallpaper, so you can just tap on your previous lock screen wallpaper. You can just press or tap on plus icon, and this is the iOS 18 wallpaper. Now if you want to check out extra colors, you can go down and over here you can check out the iOS 18 wallpaper with different colors. So you can choose whichever color you want. So there are 4 options available. Let's stay with the original one. Now if you select the wallpaper, you can customize it. Let's go to lock screen. You can turn on and off the depth effect, and also you can choose the mode if you want light mode or dark mode, or if you want to keep it to automatic. If you want to go to dark mode, this is how it will look. You can choose the mode from here as well. Now if you want to check out different colors, you can swipe like this. Now the main customization is on this particular controls. Now one is the torch icon and another one is the camera control. So these controls were there on the lock screen from ages, and there was no option to customize it, but now it is possible. So if I tap on this minus icon on the torch and if I tap on plus, it will basically show you a control center like interface, and you can choose whichever option you want. So if I want, let's say, timer over there, so I can add timer, and then on the next icon, if I click on minus and if I click on plus option, I can choose any other control over here. So yeah, now basically we can change the control module on the lock screen also. Now let's move on to the main customization, which is home screen customization. Now there are many options available on the home screen. First of all, now you can rearrange the application wherever you want, which was not possible earlier. Now I can place ChatGPT over here, or not just here. If I want to place it on other page, I can do that, and not on the top. If I want to place it at the bottom, I can do that as well. Earlier this thing was not possible. If you try to place any icon at the bottom, it will go to the next icon or the next last icon, which is on the home screen. So the rearranging was not exactly possible at that time, but now in iOS 18 you can rearrange icons wherever you want. Next thing is, if you tap and hold on the empty space over here, basically it will go to the Vigological mode, and over here now you can see there is a new option, edit. If you tap on that, you can select customize option, and now you can choose the dark theme or the light theme, whichever you want. But there is a new option which is tinted. So if you tap on tinted, basically it will select the color which is matching to your wallpaper. But if you want to change it, you have two options over here. If I want to change the color, I can just move this slider like this, and I can choose whichever option I want. And not just that, I can also change the saturation level of that. So yeah, it's a good thing. Now one more thing over here is, if you have selected a specific wallpaper and if you want your icons to be visible in that color format, you can choose this color option over here, or that filter option, and then you can choose whichever color you want. So let's say if I want this particular color, now you can see the icon colors are changed to the color which I have selected. And again, you can choose the saturation level whichever you want. If you don't want to customize this, you can again go back to automatic and it will stay to the original format. Now there is one more addition over here. Now currently the icon size is normal, and below each application you can check out its name. But you can change that too. If you select large option over here, now you can see the icon size is bigger and now the name is not visible. So if you want your icon to be visible in a bigger format, you can just go on edit, select customize and select large over here. If you don't want it, keep it to small, and we are back to the original way. Now there is one more addition in home screen customization, and that is we can resize the widget which we have added to home screen. Now you can see if the resize option is available, you will be able to check out this icon over here. You can just tap on that and you can swipe like this, or you can move it like this, and basically it will help you to increase or resize the widget. Now not just this, you can turn it to large widget as well. Now this thing was possible at the time earlier when we were supposed to add a new widget. So we have to select a specific size and only that will be added to home screen. Now it doesn't matter if you add any size, you can resize it. Now there is one more thing. If you tap and hold on any particular widget, it will show you the resizing option over here as well. So currently it is to second. If I want to turn it to app icon, select this first option and that widget will turn to its app icon. Again, tap and hold on it. If I select the third option, it will go to medium size, and again if I go to the second option, it will come back to its original size which was earlier. So yeah, changing or resizing the widget is now directly possible with the help of just single tap and hold function. So you can do that and you can just customize your home screen in whichever way possible. Now that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. These are some of the customization option available in iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone to develop a beta, then you can also customize, or you can also use this customization feature. So yeah, if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.